Your check engine light just popped on, and suddenly you're imagining repair bills in the thousands. But what if I told you could find out what's wrong with your car in seconds without paying a mechanic to plug in their scanner? Today, we're reviewing the Veepeak OBDCheck BLE Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, a compact tool that turns your smartphone into a powerful diagnostic device. This little device plugs right into your car's OBD2 port, usually found under the dashboard. From there, it uses Bluetooth Low Energy to connect seamlessly with your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Once paired, you can use a variety of free or paid apps like OBD Fusion, Torque, Car Scanner, and more to read and clear check engine light codes, view live sensor data, monitor fuel economy, and even run advanced diagnostics depending on the app. It works on most vehicles sold in the US since 1996, so whether you drive a sedan, SUV, truck, or hybrid, chances are it's compatible. The design is compact and lightweight, meaning you can leave it plugged in without it getting in the way. And unlike cheaper scanners, this one supports stable, reliable connections with no annoying dropouts. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Works with both iOS and Android. Why app compatibility? You choose the software that fits your needs. Reads and clears check engine light codes instantly. Provides real-time data like RPM, fuel trims, and coolant temperature. Small, discreet, and very affordable compared to shop diagnostics. Doesn't come with its own dedicated app. You'll need to download one separately. Advanced features depend on the app you pair it with, which may require extra cost. Not designed for professional, high-end diagnostics, it's mainly for deers and car owners. So, is Veepeak OBDCheck BLE worth it? Absolutely, if you're a car owner who wants to save money, gain peace of mind, and take control of your car's health. It's especially great for beginners and DIY mechanics who don't want to lug around a bulky scan tool. While professionals may need more advanced equipment, this little Bluetooth scanner is perfect for everyday drivers who just want reliable answers when that dreaded check engine light comes on. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Repair for more smart car tips, and check out the link in the description if you want to grab the Veepeak OBDCheck BLE for yourself. Thanks for watching, and remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your car.